How to replace the filters and reset the filter icons on your AeraMax Pro AM2 air purifier. The two main components to focus on when replacing your filter is the pre-filter and the hybrid HEPA filter. Your machine will give you two different types of indications: a flashing light when filters are at 90% use, and a steady light when your filters are at 100% use and need to be replaced. Before we reset any of our icons, we need to first replace the dirty filters with new ones. Two things to note. Do not try to clean or wash your filters, as you risk sending pollutants they captured back into the air and they will not work effectively. Also, only use official Fellows AeraMax Pro replacement filters, as units will not function using any other filters. Also, a few notes regarding safety. When replacing any filters, we suggest you wear personal protective equipment, including nitrile gloves and a face mask. Have a plastic trash bag large enough to fit the filters ready before removing them. Carefully place dirty filters in the trash bag. Seal the bag tightly and dispose in the trash. Wash your hands after handling any dirty filters. Replacing your filters. Press the latch on the top of the unit to open the access panel. Remove the old filters that are to be replaced. Place the old filters in a plastic bag. Seal tightly and discard. Do not recycle used filters. If necessary, the front panel, vents, and screen can all be cleaned using a dry, soft cloth. Remove any packaging or plastic wrap from the new filters before beginning to reinstall. Begin by peeling the adhesive strips from the green pre-filter. Adhere the pre-filter over the black carbon side of the hybrid HEPA filter. Align the AeraMax Pro certified filter stickers on the filter and the inside of the unit. Insert filters and ensure the green pre-filter goes first. The HEPA filter should be facing out. Close the front panel. You will hear a click. To reset your filter icons, begin by choosing which filter you would like to reset. Press and hold your finger on that icon for 3 seconds until the icon turns green. Press for an additional 3 seconds until the icon light turns off. Repeat the process to reset any additional filter icons. If you need any further assistance or for information on where you can purchase replacement filters, contact our customer support team at 1-800-477-7940.